And that's it, we've got coconut milk. But we're actually gonna take it a step further and reduce this coconut milk into a thick custard that's the base of a really versatile Jamaican sauce called rundown. All you have to do is pour it into a large pot, bring it up to a boil, and then reduce it down to a simmer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. While this is going, let's do a little experiment. I've seen some folks online make homemade coconut milk from coconut flakes. No whole coconuts required. I've never done it that way, but we have some time to kill, so let's give it a try. Apparently, we just combine unsweetened shredded coconut and hot water into the bowl of a blender. Let it rest for a few minutes so that the flakes can begin to soften. Then, blend on high for a couple minutes. Pour it through one of these fancy nut milk bags and then squeeze out the liquid. So that's it. It certainly looks like coconut milk, but let's give it a taste. It's super creamy, just as nutty as the other coconut milk we made, and it's actually a little bit thicker because we added less water. Don't tell my grandmother, but this is really good. Yeah, and this would be a really great option if you don't have access to whole coconuts, or if you just don't feel like doing all that other stuff we just did. All right, so this has been going for about an hour and a half and we're done. You can tell because the coconut milk has reduced significantly and it's actually kind of broken apart into two things, the thick custard and the clear coconut oil. And that's how you know you're finished. I'm not actually gonna use this sauce until tomorrow, so let's stick it in the fridge for now. We've done enough work for the day. This is our coconut milk from yesterday that we reduced. You can see that the coconut oil has been mostly absorbed into the coconut custard. But before we use it as a sauce, we're gonna stick it back into the blender to smooth it out and re-emulsify everything. This is our reduced coconut cream sauce completely smoothed out. Check out how creamy it is and thick. Reducing it down really intensified the coconut flavor and even made it a bit sweeter. Check out these three things we have here. We have our coconut milk from our whole coconuts, our coconut milk from our coconut flakes, and then this reduced coconut cream sauce. How many of you are excited to make this at home?